Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Saviruchi by Savi. This is me Savita Bhaskar. Today I am going to prepare Gulab Jamun. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. For the first step, I am going to add 1 cup of sugar to make sugar syrup. The same measurement, 2 cups of water I am going to add. Now I am going to make sugar syrup. Look at friends, I have kept on stove. Now I am going to prepare syrup first. For the second step, I am going to make Gulab Jamun. Sugar syrup is getting ready. Now I am going to add little cardamom powder. You can see syrup is ready. You can see this consistency should be there like this. Now it is, syrup is ready. To make Gulab Jamun, here I have taken 100 grams sweetless kova. I am going to mix it like this with the hands. You can see how it is done. No lumps. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of maida. I am adding maida 2 tablespoons. Now I am going to add pinch of baking soda. I am going to mix. Knead the dough softly. Now Gulab Jamun dough is ready. Now I am making small balls like this. Now I am going to make small balls like this. You can see like this. You can see Gulab Jamun balls are ready. Now I am going to deep fry in the oil. Already I have kept oil is heated. Now I am going to deep fry. Keep it in a low flame. You can see jamun is turning golden brown color. Fry it in a medium low flame. Look at Gulab Jamun. This is turning into nice golden brown color. Now I am going to take out a plate. Add more Gulab Jamuns. I am going to deep fry. You should try in a low flame. Now this is also turning into golden brown color. Now I am going to take out this in the plate. You can make different shapes oval, round, anything, but I like round shape. Now I'm going to transfer this into sugar syrup. Soak it in sugar syrup. 15 to 20 minutes later you can serve hot. Thank you. Look at this. Now delicious Gulab Jamun is ready. So very soft. It came very soft. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.